Hi Gemini, welcome to Omkara Tarot and to your love reading for July. So, hope you guys are all doing well. Let's begin your love reading. Please know these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every Gemini out there. So, please take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So, let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send us the message they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So, Gemini, let's begin. Thank you all my subscribers for your lovely support to my channel, your comments, your likes. Thank you. What can I say? And if you're new here, welcome to our little family. Join us, subscribe, and let's grow together. And I always reply back too, so it gets fun for me to do as well. Two of Wands, making decisions. Gemini, oops, I'm one card short here. Okay, first card I have for you, Gemini, is the Tower. What happened? King of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, the Magician, Ten of Cups, and the Wheel of Fortune. What happened here, Gemini? Very, very mixed card. Complete happiness and then the Tower. So I have to check what this is. What is this Tower? Okay, Gemini, I'm going to call one person A and the other person B. So flip the energy the way, if you feel you belong here. Six of Pentacles, the Lovers, Page of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and the Nine of Wands. So first let's figure out what this Tower is. What's this Tower spirit for Gemini? Okay, some relationship kind of came to an end, it seems. And this was really sudden, really sudden. Somebody just didn't want to, oh my God. Yeah, there was a lot of trouble in this relationship. I have the King of Pentacles in reverse, the Queen of Pentacles in reverse, somebody not showing their emotions, somebody very upset, a Tower moment came, somebody let something go. These were troubled waters that the person didn't want to stay in. Somebody definitely made a choice regarding this person who was a trickster, okay, or they felt was a trickster. I have the same card twice, Magician in reverse, Magician in reverse. So somebody was not being truthful, was not being honest in this relationship, and it led to a lack of love, I think. Somebody made a choice that this really is not working out and let this go. And this was pretty sudden. It was quite a shocker. Somebody just didn't want to move ahead with this anymore. But after that I have the Ten of Cups. So Spirit, what is that? A relationship came to an end, and then what? Yeah, this was somebody, what happened? Somebody was tricking and this king came to an end, and now this person is feeling embarrassed and wants to get back. Oops. The cards seem violent. Some communication is going to come regarding this. Whatever secrets were kept, Gemini, whatever this toxic behavior was, there is going to be some sharp communication coming your way. Okay, now what is this communication? Some secrets are definitely going to come out regarding what happened to this Ten of Cups situation, which is the best card actually. After this communication comes in, Gemini, the wheel can move forward. Now I want to see what is this Wheel of Fortune for you, and why is this Ten of Cups here? Is it Star? This is going to be a major conversation coming up for you, Gemini. All these things are going to be talked about as to, things were so good between us. There was a potential of having this wish fulfillment, emotional satisfaction, and why one person maybe cheated or hid their feelings from the other one, which led to all this heartbreak and, people feeling that there was stuck energy here, total stuck energy. So what is this Wheel of Fortune, Spirit? Okay. Wheel of Fortune. What is this communication going to be about, which is going to release person A of all their stress and worry? The Empress. There is going to be growth once again, Gemini, for this person after this conversation takes place. All the stress and worry that person A has been in is going to go. There will be happiness once again. There was some miscommunication in the past. There was some kind of confusion where one person felt they had been tricked. But now I think with this conversation which is coming up, it's going to open up everything back where, everything that felt was wrong or led to stress and worry is going to go. And there's going to be growth again. The wheel is going to jump forward, I think, in a brand new way. Yes, yeah. Ace of Pentacles, new beginnings. Now what we have to see, Gemini, is this going to be a new beginning, new change for this person, or is it going to be for the two of you? Okay, so let's see if, Gemini, if this is you, great. Let's check on person B. Person B, first card that they have is the Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles is normally, Gemini, a card of equal give and take. Sometimes, yes, sometimes, just as I said, sometimes, it can also represent one person giving to two. Okay, so yes, somebody was maybe here giving to two people and the other person made a choice. The other person made a choice to not work on this partnership. Maybe person A did. Maybe person B was giving to more than two, maybe more than one, and person A made a decision, I'm not going to work with person B and I'm not going to put in the effort anymore. Am I correct, Spirit? Can you give us another clarifier for this? Yeah. This person brought in total halt to this relationship and said, hey, listen, I'm not going to... okay, so this was a tower moment which came into person A's life. They got to know that person 2 was maybe cheating or, had more options. And person A made a choice not to work on this relationship and kind of put a full stop to this. I have the Page of Pentacles and the Page of Pentacles clarifying each other here. They realized that whatever offer was being made was all wishful thinking. These are all romantic, beautiful songs, hugs and kisses coming, which meant nothing. And this is a very, very stagnant place to be in, and I don't want to work on this anymore. Yeah, this person stopped fighting for this connection. This person just stopped fighting for this connection and put it to a halt. And they realized that, oh, yes, whatever happened in the past, they were not happy with it at all. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. They realize that this person doesn't mean what they say. They are not honest, and I don't think there is any possibility of having another chance with them. So they kind of dropped this and they stopped fighting for this. But the last card, they have the Nine of Wands again, which means, let's see, Nine of Wands, Spirit, for them, person B. I think they're confused. They're very confused. They are so confused by this. Gemini, if this is you, you're so confused because this card has come up again, and they desperately, desperately want to, unblock you, or you want to unblock them, but you're very confused and don't know whether the other person is still seeing other people. Are there more options available to them? Are they still, choosing them as one of their options? So there's still a lot of confusion in person B's side. They're not trusting whether they really can or want, there's a possibility of having a new like new beginning. They do want to come out of the cold with you. You want to come out of the cold with them. They're not happy after, stopping this thing. Let's see in your mutual energy what you have. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Exactly what I said. Three people working together doesn't work. And I think you both you're both coming to an understanding of that when there are more than two, it normally leads to something imbalanced. And it's not just one, it's both of you coming to this place, and both of you have really, really been in a miserable place without each other. You both have missed each other quite a bit. Why? Because of the Three of Pentacles. How many repeating cards? I have the Three of Pentacles in reverse, clarified by the Three of Pentacles in reverse. So this dynamic, whatever happened, has not just hurt one person, has hurt the other one also. Both have realized that yes, this is the reason, because maybe there was a third energy lurking between us. That is why. And both have been very, very sad and upset and missed each other. Ace of Swords in reverse. Why is this Ace of Swords now in reverse for the two of you? Yeah, okay, alright. Okay, one more, Spirit. Now the problem, Gemini, is that even though you both want it, now you don't know how to talk to each other. Okay, you don't know how to convey this message to each other. You don't know how to go and apologize to this person. You both want, this to be put to rest and want to start a brand new cycle or have transformation. You both want to go back to being with each other, but there is a lack of being able to speak in a very clean and clear fashion. Not knowing how to move towards the other. Both trying to maybe keep your King of Wands in your mutual position. Now, King of Wands is a go-getter king. So why is King of Wands here in your mutual energy? Okay, 10 of Swords. What's happening today? I don't know what's happening to the cards today. King of Wands is clarified by the King of Wands. Now this King of Wands, he said, why aren't you talking about me? Explain me. So I will. Now the King of Wands is a passionate go-getter, goes and gets things done. Okay, this person is always full of energy, always wanting to take action, sometimes too much action, where gets into trouble. And his passionate wand is quite the talk of town. So why is he here as a mutual energy? Oops. I think whoever the masculine energy is, Gemini, in this equation, is the one who is going to come forward, okay, and have this conversation about this chapter of their life which they don't want to close with you. They have been very, very miserable and sad without you. Gemini, if this is you who's the masculine here, I think this is going to be you, where you are going to, go and put this to rest. Whatever has hurt, whatever has been upsetting between the two of you, you are sad, they are sad, and you're going to address this issue in your very, very outspoken, energetic, passionate self. Okay, this conversation is going to take place as to how this chapter should not be closed, and whatever has hurt in the past should be put to rest so that something new can begin. Okay, let's just see how Gemini, how this person feels about you. How does Gemini's person feel about Gemini? How does Gemini's person feel about Gemini? Oops, okay. 5 cards. Gemini, your person really loves you. Ace of Cups. Your person really loves you. They have done a lot of, deep thinking. Maybe because maybe there was a third party involved, they have kept themselves maybe on the low, and they have done a lot of thinking. They have been stressing about the situation, definitely. They have been worrying about the situation. They do see you as their wish fulfillment, Gemini. You're the wish dream come true, and they definitely want that some justice should be brought back into the situation. So underlying thing is they love you a lot. So Gemini, let's see how you feel about this person, your person. How do you feel about your person now? How does Gemini see that person, Spirit? Okay. You see them as very sad, Gemini. You see them as feeling, they are still going back and forth in their mind. They're still kind of, they're still thinking about these 3 cups, okay? The 3 cups which fell to the floor and ground, and they are still kind of in that place. You see them as feeling very imbalanced, and you see them as feeling that they don't want to have victory with you anymore, or they don't see you having victory with you anymore. You see them as having kind of given up, and you feel that they feel you are not worth trusting, to be honest. So, which is wrong. They love you, okay? I'm saying that. The cards are saying that. So what is the most likely outcome for Gemini? Most likely outcome? Good. Most likely outcome. Wonderful. One more. One more card, Spirit. Most likely outcome. Gemini, once you have this communication with this person, a lot of secrets will come out, okay? Everything will be out in the open. But this person who was a very loving, kind, intuitive, always giving more than getting, you will find a little bit of difference with them. Now they have the sword in their hand, and they are going to ask probably harsh questions and demand honesty. They are going to be a little defensive and not given as quickly maybe as earlier. But yes, a decision will be made soon, one way or the other, depending on how you go across to them. If you're going across with just, because they're ready to kind of be a bit defensive. They're not going to let you in that soon. Yes, but there is a big possibility of a fresh new beginning here, a fresh new start. Take a leap of faith. Go ahead, be authentic. Let's take an angel blessing card for you as well to see how the angels can help you here. Yeah, exactly what we were saying right now. One Tree Spirit. Speak your truth. Oops. Yes. It was just a learning experience, whatever happened in the past. Now, Spirit is saying, look deeper. You may be feeling that this person doesn't care anymore, doesn't want to trust you anymore, has given up on you. But Spirit is saying, look deeper. There are things which are happening which you are not aware of. There's lots which goes on, and other people who you don't have any preconceived notions about what they are deciding. And all you have to do, Gemini, is you go speak your truth. Don't assume and presume that of what they are going to say. You have to be honest, truthful, and just go out there and give it your best. And I'm sure things will work out for you. So that's all I have for you, Gemini. See you next week. Love and light.